and they say,
Hi everyone, Alex and Scott again. We're looking at round 2 of our Fix It series on this chair posture that we discussed last week. What we're going to look at this week and next week is kind of a two-pronged attack as to how to fix these issues, okay? This week we're going to concentrate on trying to stretch the pecs, okay? We mentioned training preferences, doing way too much push, which has kind of pulled Scott's shoulders forward, so he's in this posture. What we're going to look at this week is trying to lengthen these pecs to be able to get some retraction through the upper back and pull himself into some normal posture. So first thing we're going to look at is a pec stretch. We can use a band, okay? So he's going to loop the band, and what he's going to do here is going to open his body up away from the anchor. So he's going to get a nice stretch there down the pec. If you don't have a band, you could just use a door frame. We're going to use the rack here. You could jam your hand in the door frame and you're trying to move the body away from this anchor point, okay? Once we've lengthened this muscle, we can then concentrate on anchoring that newfound mobility in place, which is what we're going to discuss next week with some upper back work, okay? Little tip for the gym as well, guys. Try and do a little bit less press and more pull. Look at a 2-to-1 ratio, twice as much pulling as pushing, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.